Hi everyone and welcome to another home cooking class. Tattu to you. My name's Drew, I'm one of the owners there, and today we're going to be making our famous black pepper and honey ribs. The reason I'm doing the videos is to show that you guys can do it at home. I'm not a chef, got no cooking background, just a massive passion for food. So obviously it's good to see that if I can do it, you guys can do it as well. So let's just get these out here. If you can get them from a butcher, obviously I just find the quality's a little bit better. You want to season them. Let's season them with some sea salt and pepper. Just seasoning's really important, so you need to get as much as you can over there. Throw some of these in now to the oil. This is going to take around 5 minutes just for them to start charring up. Turn your oven on, warm it up to about 180, 200 degrees. The chefs, have obviously put together some of these beautiful dishes, and it's a real pleasure to try them at home. We've all got Tattu favourites, and that's why it's just nice to be able to share some of these with you guys at home, and hopefully you'll try them and enjoy them as well. Okay, so ginger, let's get the ginger thrown in. I'll just sit now nicely, separate it throughout the pan. Give a little sprinkle of the salt, and a touch more of pepper. They're looking really nice. Okay, so let's add the garlic in, chilli. The smell that's coming out of that pan now, fantastic. Just turn those ribs down ever so slightly. They look extremely appetising. I could eat them already. We need chilli flakes. Adding just some more spice to it. I'm going to only add just a little few. You need to add 100 ml of soy sauce. So I'm just going to use a shot glass to measure this out. So 1. The mirin, like I said, you just want to add a drizzle of this throughout the soy, just cuts through a little bit, there you go. Rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. Add this in, 1, 2. And bring that heat back up now you've put some liquid into the pan. You want to add in the honey, and then you want to put about 4 tablespoons of this in. But 4 tablespoons should be enough. Cook all them ingredients together for a little bit, because what you're about to do is when you add the stock and the rice wine, there's quite a lot of liquid. And at that point, obviously you're not getting this caramelization, so you really want this to all stick to the ribs at this point. The oyster sauce, just a teaspoon of oyster sauce just to add to the flavour. If you just put a teaspoon of lemongrass, it's a strong flavour, knock that in. The sauces are caramelising. I'm going to turn that down because we're going to add the stock now. So rice wine first, measuring jug. You want about 200 mils. And then the chicken stock, I'm going to add this in now. Bring it to the boil. Just stir all those sauces in together. There you go, you bring that to the boil. In 2 seconds, we're going to add it to the pan. As you can see here, we're going to add this into this pan here. Make sure all the ingredients are out in there. Once these have been in the oven 45 minutes, they're looking beautiful. We'll re-add these ribs to the pan. Now you don't want them in for too long here, this is just to finish them off. Just bring it back to the boil. There you can see in close there how beautiful everything looks. Look at that, that is just, they look amazing. Absolutely wonderful. That golden colour for me is just perfect. You want to try and stack them up the best you can. Now on top, you just want to sprinkle some of the onion. Got some of these chilies on there. You've got some beautiful looking honey black pepper ribs. And I hope everybody has found this video useful. I've certainly enjoyed doing it. Keep safe, everybody. We might be doing more of these, so just have a look out on obviously Manchester's Finest for the videos. And if you hear about us, please join us. And if you want to give us any thoughts and feedback or any recipes that you'd love to see, then please send them through. I hope you've enjoyed it. Stay safe, everyone, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you.